Klipsch RP450C. The Klipsch RP450C, with its sturdy build and remarkable sound delivery, stands at the forefront of Klipsch's renowned sound engineering. It boasts a unique 1-inch linear travel suspension titanium tweeter, paired with four 5.25-inch spun copper cerametallic cone woofers, creating a wide frequency response range. This wide range encapsulates the listener in dynamic, full-bodied sound. With its larger size, the 450C is ideally suited for larger spaces, where its rich sound can permeate every corner without losing clarity or volume. The performance metrics of the RP450C are exceptional across various categories, including audio clarity, loudness, and accuracy of sound reproduction. The tweeter and woofers harmonize to deliver nuanced soundscapes, while the Tractrix horn technology ensures optimal sound dispersion, thus maximizing the listening area. This makes the speaker perfect for high-definition video streaming, gaming, and movie watching, where precision in handling vocals and sound effects is paramount. The innovative hybrid cross-section Tractrix horn technology distinguishes the RP450C from its competition. This feature ensures high-frequency energy is aimed directly at the listener, reducing artificial reverb caused by indirect sound bouncing off walls. The result is a clean, clear, and enveloping sound that truly stands out. However, no product is without its shortcomings, and the Klipsch RP450C, despite its numerous advantages, is relatively large. Its footprint is cumbersome in compact spaces. If your setup is limited, consider other compact alternatives. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.